change the BMW.
Yes, can change that here basara recap.
Okay.
Permanent one. In just temporary background and life. Or can change it that one. But actually pull here from my inbox.
Okay, ordinary your inbox so TikTok and
yes.
You can save it to your phone.
All Ben Gappy will save where can not throughout for hours now.
You got an inbox open up like an image, a photo image. You click on it, okay, will take you the option. You save on your phone. You save it to photos on your phone. Or iPhone.
Yes, I hear DP, you update, maybe from my photos. That's what I think the biggest problem. When click on the picture or that message, or not a booked option of saving or anything. Maybe the picture, yes.
Then can you forward the picture to WhatsApp and save it from WhatsApp?
Okay, my match on my will to cigar. I forward here. Godfather and assist screenshot. The screenshot will not work because in screenshot I capture everything none at the page. My ABC send remia, my send the just the picture.
You screenshot you trim more down. You recopy.
Okay. My kids can do that one. Yeah,
screenshot image. Each you may edit then before you use it.
Okay.
Use your normal edit before you use it.
Okay, we might try that one. Screen. Okay.
The best is with the shortcut. Screenshot it was email edit. If my screenshot now I got to edit. Click on edit. Immediately after I got screenshot, I got to edit. Just click on it as well. Email edit.
That you can now use it.
Yes.
Okay. Now another question, another one. Okunu motu anyị nọ na box now. Anyị dị one now 6. Somebody tinye ihe now. Go to eme like let's say Oluchi tinye something. For example, ndị a now have form or club, right? A form or club, maybe Oluchi bidoro ntị ike, o tinye logo ndị ntị ike na background nke ya na onwe ya Oluchi. Go to emezi, everybody else capture that thing, pia within minutes, everybody will go that logo as their background picture. Without
the same screenshot
on the entire box.
Screenshot
okay, the same screenshot and the did.
Yes. Some of them they share via WhatsApp. Send na WhatsApp.
This is in a WhatsApp, man. Okay. Because I don't know 100 for the say, Oluchi, come out for that place. Your head they cover the thing, make us see and well take capture them. Or shift to pia I capture go the thing. Pia onye mo eburu go the logo na their boxes.
I saw you guys
about the screenshot. I just edit to make edit they no use doesn't take up to 3 minutes.
Okay, I might try. Okay, because I knew a nice new here for recap. All right, Ned, you go ahead.
Yeah, so
I'm a draw Luchi, give me the other life or sin a restricted the life.
Oh wow, why?
Nanke able to everybody end suddenly.
Oh, okay. So, after that, we will continue more personally. Can I please see we? I personally will continue talking to her. Manfokuya openly. I'm not going in any private. Openly. You know, it's ready. How ready are you? Then, he chosen now. Why we continue talking to her? You take your time, relax, meditate over it, enjoy your vacation. Then, overall in a hurry, Natazia, See, okay, need the ready if she's ready.
Screenshot now. We made it.
I feel what I handle. All of mute, background noise. What about Queen?
Oh, sorry, I didn't mute her. Yes, listen, I talk to her online.
Yes.
On TikTok, not behind the scenes. Open.
No, I'm not going behind.
And I'm going to take my time while on vacation. I'm not back. Marazi Henchare.
So think over it. If a full grown man, you're a full grown woman. So, we get medawe okwu a na-ekwu bụ ihe ga emedowe. So ichecha ya ọ bụ na o ruru gị n'ala obi gị to stretch out the hands and see peace and let it go. That's it. And then kwucha peace ahụ ma ọ bụ na o si na-abụ n'obi biko ịhapụzi ya what ọ bụ ọ na-ekwu anyị ncha nne na-apụ ya onye o ruru ịmụ amụ ọmụ amụ like mụa nke ọbụla a na-ekwu oruru m ịmụ amụ mmụọ amụ ọkwado ga-eti m ihe na amụ mebe ka a na-amụ ya amụ ịghọta enweghị onye ga-eti m ihe ọ ihe ọ bụ so nke ọbụla m ga-ataịpụkwa na comment section ọ na-ekwu taịpụ ọrịa gị nwa na-ekwukwe m ga-ataịpụkwa m ga-agbagote ịbịakwuru gị nkwuolu gị that's it. Talk the very free. So think about it while we continue talking to her. So Kaimalo no get omume maka ọkwa omume ọ ga-adị mma maka ekewe ikpe ifu na okwu a lot of people ama nkwu okwu a otu ọ ga-esi dị mma okwu a ga-arị azụ okay ntị ọ dịkwa
between ya na onye
Yes, I know. Yes, God.
Ego Igbo.
From your this thing, I'm by your screenshots now.
Ego Igbo ya na mami ya na imega.
Ahụgo m the thing, Godfather, Scorpio King. Thank you.
Ya na imega.
So, Godfather, ihe mere now. Is screenshot through this entire place anyị nọ now, right? Then immediately ịpịa edit, were select the box ebe my own profile.
Yes, I am there now.
You can also ask the person.
Okay.
You can as well do the same thing on that this thing on your inbox.
You screenshot or you may edit.
Okay. One say highlight, yeah. Because hold on. Hello, were you knocking? That one? Okay. Okay, sorry. So, I tried me now with Inco Lucci, then here also, how, in here, go to see Gazina gallery change here the background. Sorry.
Na ime ya na keta ihe emezi imechazi make it ịgbanye your camera ịgbanye your camera now then you gonna green screen then edit ndị Germany na-emekwa music day like in France.
Okay, you make it your camera, Then
Autumn, can you hear me? You gonna green screen.
Okay, so you got your camera first, right?
You can make it by camera again. Never. Then you can green screen. Then you choose the picture.
No, agbanyego m camera ka ebe green screen no dị.
Okay, it's only hold on. It's only here na your profile.
Mba, achọrọ m ịmụ nke a ị mere now. Enwe nke ị mere now itinye my own background. Achọrọ m ịmụ ya nke screenshot ka ọ bụchi ebe ọ na-eme onye a makeup.
Enwe ebe dị plus.
Okay, so ka m gbanyekwa kamera ọzọ na. So isi nchọ ịgbanye kamera, right?
Ị ga-afụ green screen.
Nke ụkwa green screen here.
Effect.
Okay, afụgo bụ effect.
Chọọ green screen.
No, the only thing on na effect different kinds of faces ndị mmadụ.
Ị ga-afụ ebe enwe green screen.
Okay. Ahụgo m green screen.
Click on green screen.
Okay. Click go on green screen.
Choose that picture email edit.
But I click in the green screen no na my box. Ebe nsi ga-achọ na ya na.
From that dinner na.
Enwe camera, enwe nke eji atọn camera, then enwe microphone. Which one? And enwe aka na-move there, but enweghị ihe na-click. Near my background, but wait for the green screen there.
From my back, you get to choose your gallery. Actually, it's your background now.
I see to the green screen now. If I put a bit to me with photo.
Photo. Into us where now.
Yes.
That in on a green screen, everyone appoint this Nanya no Uliga for plus. You know, I got for pictures.
Okay.
Click on
Yes,
that plus.
Click on that plus. Yes. Neya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. And you too, I want your father, thank you. Happy Father's Day too. I want your mother.
Okay, Nkao is screenshot. In her background.
You're taking me screenshots.
No, I'm just learning her godfather do. Okay, so got that one. Nke ga-emezi iwu nke a nsi na-esend aram na inbox. I'll go back and do the screenshot. Save use your mere profile picture. Thank you. At least amutagom this one.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can go back. Oh, Luchi, I can go back to gallery now. Just delete the picture. Or the picture up go now, up go there.
Stop to go.
Because I got go in a gallery.
I have your camera. You post me like that. That's a good. I have the camera.
No. I got go to my gallery.
No, delete go the picture.
Delete go me up go. No.
Now one hour we just play.
I just muta that one. Can need you that one? No, he retrieve the picture then on my inbox. All right. Ned your topic na agakwani.
Okay, ngwa random maka m na-ebuzi ụka ụmụaka ụka ka nje drọp ha na chọọchị.
Okay, arandugo m asị m anụgo m ihe i kwuru. No, at least enye m gị a listening ear and it was a conversation. Ndị na-epush back ndị a na-abịa with tigbuo zọgbuo ịgwa m ihe m ga-eme rather than inye their own suggestion hapụ m ka m make my own decision.
Exactly. Just take your time. Enjoy your vacation. I know here. Think about it. Reflect over it. While we are working on the other side, okay?
Also, maybe better from holiday.
Okay.
Oh, the CK, because enjoy while your holiday, because.
Maybe better from holiday.
Okay. Bad job. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers.
Happy Father's Day, bro.
Ka nkwado je boat cruise.
Mexico.
Biko aka m ga-eyikwa bikini. Ị ga-eyikwa bikini biko ka anyị go. Biko ị ga-eyikwa bikini gị ịsekọta picture na igosi anyị. Ọka m a ga-agbajakwa gị tata, a ga-asị n'enu na ọ gabe boat cruise before.
It's wow.